Assalamu alaikum. Hello, friends. Welcome to One Media's drawing channel. Hope everyone is well. Today, we will learn how to draw the world-famous AK-47 rifle perfectly using color pencils. Today's video is a little bigger and more detailed, where I have tried to show each step very simply. So don't hesitate and watch the entire video till the end. And if you're new to the channel, then subscribe now and stay tuned.
Friends, at the beginning of the drawing, we will make the entire layout or initial sketch of the rifle with a 2B pencil. For a perfect drawing, the layout is the most important thing. Note, I am taking a few dots to keep the straight lines of the barrel, body, and buttstock of the rifle at the exact size, so that it can be kept exactly how big or small any part of the rifle will be. Where the magazine and trigger are attached, it is important to take the correct scale while making this box-shaped part. So I am using a scale here to draw straight lines and to keep the correct angle of each part. A perfect drawing of a mechanical thing, like an AK-47, the shape is quite challenging. Next, we come to the receiver body in the middle. Handguard and grip. Now I gently draw the wooden handguard in front of the receiver. Next, I draw some parallel guidelines with a scale for the very front part of the rifle, i.e. the barrel, front sight, and gas tube. Finally, I draw the rear buttstock. Notice that the buttstock is not completely straight, but slightly sloping downwards. These little things make the drawing realistic. And below, I lightly draw the outline of the pistol grip.
Now I'm drawing strigger and strigger guard.
Using a scale will ensure that the proportions of the rifle are perfect. Don't rush and draw lightly. Outline the entire figure with a 2B pencil so that any mistakes can be easily erased.
After our initial layout is complete, we will now finalize or solidify the outline with a black pencil. This stage is very important because now our drawing will have a clear shape. You have to be a little careful while drawing with black pencil so that the marks do not spread here and there. Carefully draw the borders of the trigger, the front of the barrel, and the wooden part of the back of the rifle. Here too, I am taking the help of scale to maintain the straightness and fineness of the lines.
I removed the pencil marks with an eraser so that the color looked perfect. Now I am drawing the small parts and screws of the AK-47 rifle. At this stage, we will start coloring the metallic parts of the rifle. We have used gray color here to bring out the gray and black color of the metal parts of a real AK-47 rifle. And we are using shades of black.
In addition, we are highlighting small details such as screws, nuts, and metallic textures. These small details will make your drawing from ordinary to extraordinary.
Finishing the metallic parts, we will now color the wooden parts of the rifle: handguard, grip, and buttstock. To bring out the real texture of the wood, I first lightly coat it with an orange pencil. I am using this light orange coat as a base. Then I am lightening it with a red pencil. So that these parts of the wood look like real wood. Now I am creating the inner layer and shadows of the wood with brown paint. Make sure that the texture of the wood looks smooth or a little natural. Now let's come to one of the most interesting parts of the AK-47, its curved magazine. First with brown paint, and then with black paint, the play of light and shadow in the grooved parts of the magazine is highlighted. The shading needs to be done a little carefully so that it looks three-dimensional or 3D. After coloring all the parts, it's time to remove the rough edges of the colors. To smooth out the colors of the entire drawing, I'm blending the entire drawing with a white colored pencil. Blending with light pressure with the white pencil will blend the colored pencil strokes and give the drawing a nice highlight and shine. See? As soon as I add the shadow, it looks like the rifle is actually resting on a surface. So friends, our beautiful AK-47 rifle drawn with colored pencils is ready to be seen. Thank you very much for being with me on this long 15-minute journey. Be sure to comment on how you liked the video. If you like it, give it a like and share it with your friends. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to the One Media's drawing channel. See you in the next great drawing video. Until then, everyone stay well and healthy. Allah Hafiz.